Hi there, market bandits. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our trading tips and insights. Today, we've got something special for all you beginners out there. We're diving into 14 essential tips to help you kickstart your Forex trading journey. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Education is key. Before you jump into the exciting world of Forex trading, take the time to learn the basics. Understand how the market works, familiarize yourself with the jargon, and get a grip on what drives currency prices. You can learn more about the Forex market by going through my Forex education playlist on my channel and purchase my Forex course. You can find the link for my course in the description below. Tip number 2. Now, when it comes to brokers, go for the gold, reliable brokers, that is. Look for brokers with a solid reputation, competitive spreads, and user-friendly trading platforms. See description section for my recommended broker. Tip number 3. Start with a demo account. These accounts let you practice trading without risking real money, a perfect way to build your skills and confidence. Tip number 4. Make a trading plan. This is your roadmap to success. Outline your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. It helps you stay focused and disciplined in the midst of market excitement. Tip number 5. Let's talk about managing risk. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. And to protect yourself, use tools like stop loss and take profit orders. These help limit your losses and secure your gains. Tip number 6. When you're starting out, stick to the majors. Focus on currency pairs like EUR, USD, GBP, USD, and USD, JPY. They're more liquid and have tighter spreads. Tip number 7. Staying informed is crucial in Forex trading. Keep an eye on economic news and events. Things like economic indicators, central bank decisions, and global developments can impact currency prices. Tip number 8. Learn about both technical and fundamental analysis. Combining these approaches gives you a well-rounded view of the market. Tip number 9. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to your plan and steer clear of impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. Tip number 10. Success in Forex takes time. Avoid chasing quick profits. Instead, focus on consistent, well-executed trades over the long haul. Tip number 11. Keep records. Maintain a trading journal to track your trades, strategies, and results. It's like your trading diary, helping you spot patterns and areas for improvement. Tip number 12. Never stop learning. The Forex market is ever evolving. Stay open to new strategies, techniques, and market trends. Tip number 13. Avoid the overtrading trap. Too much trading can lead to burnout and poor decisions. Stick to your plan and don't let boredom drive your trades. Lastly, tip number 14. Stay realistic. Forex trading holds potential, but it also comes with risks. Not every trade will be a winner, and that's okay. And there you have it. 14 essential tips for beginners diving into the exciting world of Forex trading. Remember, it's all about education, discipline, and gradual growth. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow traders. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy trading.